in front of me a UniArch 8-channel 4K network CCTV recording kit. So this is available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is everything you need inside the single kit. The specifications are extremely high. So the NVR itself has 8 ports on it, all PoE. So it can support up to 8 megapixel. The cameras itself we're providing here, there's 6 of them. They're 5 megapixel and they're 30 meter IR on them. There's a 2 terabyte hard drive included, and also what we have is 6 20 meter cables here, network cables for connecting directly to it. So literally you have everything you're going to need. And so this video here is just going to give an overview of exactly what we have, but we have other videos in the series that's individually covering the cameras, but it's also going to come along and it'll cover the app, troubleshooting, things like that. And that's what we're doing really well here at freetv.ie. The type of support videos we have, particularly for the UniView range of products, is excellent. So this is how the cameras come, the outer boxes that come in. If we look in the back of the cameras here, we'll see there's an external power source port here, a DC port, but we won't be using this because we'll actually just be directly connecting it straight off of the network port on it. So the way it's working with the network cables is the picture is clearly being run from the camera back to the NVR itself, but the power to power the cameras is coming over the same network cable directly to power the cameras themselves. So you can see anyway, we've just set this up with a total of 6 cameras being displayed here, but you can obviously display up to 8 on the system as well. The app on this is extremely simple. So once you have it fully installed, to set it up to have a remote mobile viewing on your phone, from the moment of going to download the app to actually viewing it, you're probably speaking max 5 minutes if you follow our video guides. So one of the reasons that this is such a great kit to go with here is that first of all, the IP, the resolution is absolutely fantastic. The setup and the power usage on it is extremely low, and UniArch itself is part of UniView, which is one of the largest CCTV manufacturers in the world. So you're really partnered with an excellent product range here. And in terms of support that you'll get from FreeTV, I think it's absolutely excellent because we have the videos, we have a technical line specifically dedicated to CCTV, and we're able to guide people through all of the processes, and we're covering a great range of stock.